this is not only about our First Amendment right to speak.
But here's the thing about the First Amendment. The First Amendment protects free speech. It doesn't protect lies that amount to defamation, and that was the issue in the case.
Yes, exactly. You can't go into, the free speech does not protect you if you go into a crowded theater and you scream fire. We get the concept of free speech from the Greeks. My understanding of what that means is not just the freedom to speak. It's a freedom to speak truth to power.
But truth is the word.
Yes.
And that was the issue.
And that's all I spoke. And I spoke it to power, and I paid the price.
Bob Hilla, I mean, quite frankly, I don't think anyone wants to hear about the historical lecture of the First Amendment from Amber Heard or the usage of this phrase, truth to power, which Ben Crump, who uses in his civil cases about black rights and minority rights, truth to power. Quite frankly, I think that probably offended a lot of people. Gary's shaking his head yes. Bob?
Well, yeah, and she's got to be careful what she says. She doesn't want to have another defamation case against her because of, bringing out things that she can't prove. The UK court has its own set of rules. You can't equate the two. And it's against the newspaper. The newspaper can publish reliable source information. So, those are the differences.
Gary, we have about 30 seconds left. I'm going to give you the final word because I have to say goodbye to you. But on the truth to power, you have the floor, sir.
Those type of words you have to watch. We in this nation has to be honest about the conversation when we talk about truth to power, and we're talking about the rights of African Americans, the Black Americans, brown Americans in this nation. Those are the type of phrases that we use for equality, not just Black and brown, for any denomination or any nationality that's discriminated against. So she has to be careful when she says these things because they mean more than what she's saying.